Good morning, Mighty Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Wednesday, January 20th, 2021. Today is a C day. No, I apologize. Today is your new schedule, Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. I have a shout out for our first grade math scholars in Mr. Moa's class that were doing an amazing job working on their work during independent work time. Nice job, scholars. Keep up the hard work. I have another shout out. I have a shout out for our fifth graders in science in Mr. Lopez's class yesterday, learning about weather. You did an amazing job, not only listening, watching the video, and also being able to answer questions about how weather is measured. So nice job. Scholars, remember, expectation is to have your cameras on at all times so we can see you learning. Also, every day counts, so everyone, please attend every day. Last but not least, today is the new schedule, so make sure and check your teams to make sure you canceled the ones that are not there and you only go to the classes that are there. Have a great day today in class, and it's a great day to learn. Hoot hoot!